Hello, this is Mr. Julien. Just wanted to share with you a quick tutorial about how to fill in documents that are sent by the teachers with a PDF format. So I'm going on the Google Classroom account of my daughter. So I can see that there is an assignment, reading. I click on it. And then on the top right, I can see the document. It's a PDF. If I click on it, it's gonna open. And then there is a T that says typewriter. You can click on it. And then you go where you want to fill in the blanks. Like for the first name, you just have to click. And then you write the name. You can go next to date, and you can move a little bit window if you need. And you can write like today, jeudi. And then if you want to answer the questions, you can go and start to answer the question. Once you're done, the only thing that you have to do is just to go back to the previous window by using the arrow on the top left. And then you turn in the document. And the teacher will be able to see the answers of the student. Thank you. Bye.